Hi there, this is Fixed It. Just watching two turtle doves in the tree, and then I moved over, and lo and behold, this little fellow is obviously in the process of stalking them. The doves have just moved over. The doves are over there, and this little fellow, he's sat up there. But obviously he's staying out of the way because down here, I'm looking up at him, he's Brie. So the cat's pretty dischuffed with me, I think. Is he going to come down the tree? Shh, Brie, wait. Seems a rather brave cat if he does. He looks a bit like a Russian blue, but he's a very creamy colour. So the cat's now be looking for a way down. So we're going to walk away and leave it to it. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.